Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Instagram on Android phone. So here I have my Android phone, and to download and install Instagram, you need to go and open up Play Store. So here you can see Play Store. Just go and open that up. And here, if you are not logged in with your with your Google account, the Play Store will ask you to log in with your Google account, and once you have logged in, this screen will appear. Just go and tap on search for apps and games. Here type in for Instagram and search it. Just go and tap on install. So here it says pending. Now the downloading process has started. So just go and wait for it. So here you can see we are almost near to completion. And now you can see the installation process has started. So it could take a while, maybe a 30 seconds to a minute, depending upon your phone. Meanwhile, you can check the details of Instagram. Just go and tap on Instagram. And here, if you go down below, you can see details about the app, screenshots, other regulations. You can see the reviews as well. And here you can see the installation process has completed. Just go and tap on open. For the first time, it could take a while to open up the app. So here you can see, you can simply go and log in from here, or you can sign up. That's totally up to you. So hope by doing so, you'll be able to download and install Instagram on Android phone. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.